Alright, so I'm back with another video from the Bali fire pit. I really like this one. What I like is that I could build a pretty nice fire with it. The downside, it's not smokeless like some of the others, as you can see. What is a little bit breezier, you gotta fight the smoke a little bit more, and it's always windy where I live pretty much. Now this is a 2-in-1, so you got your fire pit, and then you also have your grill. You can move that over your fire, and then you can grill all your meats. So this is awesome to take down to the beach or to take camping. Now you could also adjust this up and down. I would recommend to do it before you build your fire because it does get very, very hot. Unless you use a heat resistant glove, and maybe you can. Now this does have a reinforced ring down at the bottom, and it has a bigger reinforced ring up at the top. It also has 4 wide sturdy legs. But if you're looking for a pretty nice fire pit to use in your backyard or to take camping, I really love this one.